Hello friend, it's digraph day. 2 letters, 1 sound. It's time to play. Hello friend, today we are thinking about a new letter sound and it's a digraph. 2 letters are working together to make a sound. Letter O and I together make the sound oi. Say oi. Oi. My turn, your turn. My turn, oi. Your turn, excellent. My turn, oi. Your turn, oi. My turn, oi. Your turn, amazing. Can you think of words having oi sound in them? Let me think. Oi, like in coin. Oin. Let me think again. Boil. The water is boiling. Oil. Boil. Toilet. 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 Alright. You are going to practice writing oi sound as you say it. Remember, O and I make the sound oi. Okay? Alright. Have a go in your workbook. Find lesson 43 and I'd like you to write oi as you say it from this point until when you get to the end. Like this. Oi. Oi. Okay? Remember to place O and I together because they are working together to make the sound oi. Pause the video and have a go. Okay friend, now we are going to practice reading words that have oi sound in them. Remember, we sound out first and then blend the letter sounds together to read the words. Okay, you are going to go first. I am going to point and you're going to say the letter sound. Let's go. Blend, the slow way. Faster way. Have you read it? Well done. Let's work it out together. Sounding out with me. Let's go. B. Oi. L. Let's blend the slow way. Boil. Faster way. Boil. The water is boiling. Excellent. Let's have a go with another word. Your turn. Sounding out. Excellent. Now blend the slow way. Faster way. Have you read it? Amazing. Let's work it out together. Sounding out with Miss Anita. Let's go. P. Oi. T. Blend the slow way. Point. Faster way. Point. The word is point. Point to the ceiling. Can you do that? Point to the ceiling. Excellent. Alright, let's have a go with another one. Let's do this together. Sound out with me. T. Oi. L. E. T. Okay, now let's blend together in a slow way. Follow that pointer. T. Oil. It. One more time, the slow way. Toilet. Faster way. Toilet. She is using the toilet. We have just read a big word, toilet. Amazing. Now, friend, in your workbook, you have a reading task to do, okay? You are going to sound out the letters and then blend them together in a slow way until when you hear the word. After that, you are going to read the word out loud in a faster way, like this. Oil. Slow way. Oil. Oil. Faster way. Oil. Okay? Do the same for the rest of the words. After that, you are going to challenge yourself to read these words out loud by sounding out the words in your head and saying them out loud at once. Okay? You can do this by reading them from top to bottom and bottom to top. Okay, pause the video and have a go at your reading task. Now, my friend, it's time to practice spelling and writing words having oi sound in them. Okay, we are going to need our manipulatives to help us count the sounds we hear in the word we are going to spell. Okay, this is the picture. What is it? Yes, it's a coin. Say coin. Coin. Excellent. Now, we are going to count the sounds we hear in the word coin. If you don't have your manipulatives, pause the video to go and get them. All right, let's move on. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. Oi. N. How many sounds do you have? How many objects do you have right in front of you? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. If you have 3 objects, you've done it the right way. Okay, let's check again if we've done the right thing. Tapping the objects with me, let's go. Coin. Coin. Excellent. Now, we are going to write those letter sounds down. Watch me. First sound, k. We write it down. Next sound, oi. Remember, what are the 2 letters that make oi sound? O and I. Okay, ending sound. Let's check again. K, oi, n. We hear n at the end, so we write it down. Let's check if we've done the right thing. K, oi, n. Coin. Amazing. Now, friend, in your workbook, you have a spelling task, okay? A spelling and writing task. You are going to spell the word boil, soil, coin, toilet, point. Remember to write each sound on the line. After that, you write the word again without having breaks in between, okay? Pause the video and have a go at your writing task. Okay, my friend, thank you for working hard in this lesson. Keep your book in a safe place because I'll see you tomorrow in another lesson. Bye.